Do you really need a college degree to hit the job market? Maybe not. College isn't for everyone, but skipping out on a degree doesn't mean missing out on a high paying job. Our list of the best jobs without a college degree includes careers for those with a high school diploma or associate degree. Some jobs that don't require a degree call for apprenticeship training or certificate completion before getting started, while others may require you to dive right in and learn on the job. Find the right career path for you on this episode of Business Zone, and it's dedicated to the top 7 new collar jobs that will earn you money, success, and fame as equal as a white collar job. Before we get into this episode, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Number 1. You can become a computer security analyst. If you have apt skills in computer sciences, programming, and IT security, you are as eligible as a candidate with a bachelor's or master's degree. It is a field that is flourishing with a growing rate of 32%, and you can make up to $99,730 on average. All you have to do is keep a security check on the organization's computer networks and system. Be it any enterprise, school, or government office, you will be the maestro in control of the networks, all without any degree. Number 2. You can look forward to becoming a database manager. Your sheer responsibility as a database manager or database administrator is to store and manage the data via specialized software. Data viability, security, and accessibility are what you will be taking care of. Almost every industry needs a database manager, as nowadays, enterprises are getting an overture and shifting the work infrastructure on software and computers. Specifically, you can get a position in any computer-based company. You don't need any particular degree. Instead, you should have expertise in database languages such as Structured Query Language, SQL. As a database manager, you could earn up to $93,750 per annum. Number 3. Back in high school, if you have opted for biology, then you must be somehow familiar with ultrasounds. With this knowledge, you can become a diagnostic medical sonographer. As an ultrasound technician, you would be working under the supervision of a physician, and you have to undergo the ultrasound procedure on patients. You don't need any specific degree for this job. Instead, if you've got the proper skill set or an additional 1-year certificate program would add extra value. With this skill set, you can get a job in any hospital, doctor's offices, medical center, and laboratory. This job placement makes a total of 14% of the market, and you can earn up to $68,750 per year. Number 4. If you were one of a biology freak back in those high school days, then you must have a keen knowledge about X-rays and other related resonance imaging techniques. With all this knowledge, you can qualify as a Radiologic Technician. Apart from performing the diagnostic imaging techniques on patients, you'd be responsible for helping your supervisor, the physician, to evaluate those images. You can build your career in hospitals, physicians' offices, laboratories, and outpatient care centers. Along with your job, if you secure any additional certificates, it will be a huge plus to bring in appraisals and promotions. As an ever-emerging field, you have an open opportunity to earn $62,280 per annum. Number 5. If you aim to work as a service delivery analyst, then be clear in your facts that you don't need a specific degree to get this job. Most of the companies require a skill set and prefer the one with skills and a bit of experience over the ones who have degrees without any practical skill set. As a service delivery analyst, you will be obliged to make sure that every client gets the best of services. You would be responsible for analyzing the quality of services, along with making certain modifications to deliver nothing less than quality. All work is done over software. If you've got a strong command of computer skills, you're good to go for this job. The industry requires experience, a minimum of 3 years, along with complete command on using the service software. You can earn up to $56,433 as a service delivery analyst per year. Number 6. Throw back to your childhood and zoom in to the era where you were a crazy little creator. You loved making things out of Play-Doh or Lego. Well, your childhood can be molded to become your profession. Working as a tool and die maker is another new-collar job that doesn't ask for any degree. You are going to work in a machine shop to create customized machinery parts for heavy-duty machinery. Your job will be mechanical or machine-based, where giving commands to machines via software will do the process. For getting appropriate skills, you can join through apprenticeship programs, vocational schools, technical colleges, or on-the-job training. If your job carries something like computer or software-driven machinery, then learning computer or IT skills is mandatory. Linked to this manufacturing industry comes a vivid opportunity to make $45,750 per year. Number 7. Last but not least, there is a new collar job in the pharmaceutical industry. You can join as a pharmacy technician. Here, you will be assisting the pharmacist and act as a mediator for dispensing medicines to customers and health professionals. You can work in pharmacies and drugstores, but others work at hospitals or private practices. On average, you can make up to $33,950 per year. Be it any reason, financial, personal, or social, that is hindering your way to continue your studies, then without any delay, start your practical life. As a high school graduate, you still have opportunities to get a new collar job without any professional degree. All you need is a definite skill set and some hands-on experience. On this note, this is Business Zone signing off with a promise to come up with new, exciting content that could serve you in any way. Until then, stay tuned and keep watching Business Zone.